What's going on? We out here in Seagoville diagnosing a Honda. As soon as I pulled up, I noticed that the belt was kind of failed in a way where it looked like it was something seized. I'm gonna check all the other pulleys and we're gonna go from there. All right, after doing some further digging, it turns out that there is a malfunction going on with this tensioner right here, which is pushing up against the power steering. The power steering seems to still be good, so that's a good thing. But this, on the other hand, is out of there. See? As long as both in the center, put bushing in between that.
Why you look on?
Alright, we got the new tensioner purchased, and it's just 3 12mm bolts, one right there, one right there, and then this center one is probably going to be a 16 to get the tension back on the new belt. Put the power steering back on with the 2 12s, 1 10mm right there. We're good to go. Right, and we are good to go. Got the new tensioner pulley installed. Make sure the belt was lined up correctly, and we're good to go. There's customers at work too, so they'll start it and come home to a repaired car.